Welcome back to the Jassta short tutorial series. This is episode 2, and today we're diving into another brilliant feature: how to seamlessly replace players so your games never lose their momentum. Let's get rolling. Once you log in and fill out your core match details, like your game name, format, player cap, and court location, you'll hit Create and Land right on your event dashboard. This is your main command center, and it's exactly where you'll find the advanced options to take your game's management to the next level. Right below the Generate Matches button, you'll see the Players section where you can easily manage your roster. To get people on the court, you can search for your friends directly by name if they're already on the app, or quickly invite them via email. Just keep in mind that your active roster is capped at the maximum player count you set during game creation, which in this case is 4 players. But here's a great feature. If you invite extra players beyond your cap, the app automatically places them onto a waitlist. If you want to move someone from the waitlist into the active lineup, just tap the Promote button. The app will instantly upgrade them to the active roster and automatically adjust your maximum player count to match. So in our case, our active lineup safely expands to 5 players. Now let's look at how to replace a player. Accidentally added the wrong person? Don't worry about it. You can swap them out in seconds by simply tapping the edit pencil icon right next to their name. That brings up the Edit Player menu. From here, just hit Replace to look up a different player by their name or shoot over an email invite. Once you're ready, tap the Update Player button and they will instantly be swapped in for all upcoming matches. Need to completely remove a player instead? No problem. You can easily delete anyone from your roster by simply tapping the red trash can icon right next to their name. And don't sweat it. You can even replace a player right in the middle of active matches. Let me show you exactly how it's done so your game never misses a beat. After setting up your rounds and courts, just tap that Generate Matches button and then click View Matches. This takes you straight to a brand new screen where you can hit Start All Rounds and even manage your players and courts live as things get moving. Need to make a quick substitution? Jousta makes it seamless. Just tap the edit icon right next to a player's name to bring up the team editing menu. From here, you have total flexibility. You can choose to swap the player out for just this current match or replace them for all remaining rounds. Simply hit Replace, enter the new player's name and email, and you are instantly ready to get back to the game. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced a player in just a few simple steps. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more quick updates, and we'll see you next time.